si Liturgy of the Eucharist, si concluding rites. The readings of the Word is not in this book because we have a special book which is the lectionary. So nandun po yung mga readings. Okay? So after po nito, after ng order of the Mass, we have the preface. To serve God and the Church through the liturgical celebrations. Liturgical celebrations means not only the Mass, but also the sacraments. And we are called to become better Christians and better persons. Diba? Nasabi ko po kanina, parang mas maganda yung we live our ministry. Hindi po maganda na parang we don't grow spiritually, we don't grow, we don't mature. Kung ganun din po tayo, I think we need to think, what's the problem?
Oh, alam niyo na.
Okay.
Problema namin.
An altar server is an example to the assembly. So, ang altar server must know ano po ba yung mga rubrics natin, ano yung mga ginagawa natin. When do we bow? When do we strike the chest? When do we kneel? When do we stand? When do we sit down? Ang ganda ng ngiti ni ate. Okay. So, dapat po, alam natin because the congregation usually copies what we are doing.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Altar servers are visible signs. So, babalik tayo sa visible signs. Because we are an instrument through whom God acts, through the words and actions, through the sacramentals we use, through the ritual actions, God conveys His message of love.
So,
What do we mean by an altar server as a visible sign? When you hold the book, di ba nakikita tayo ng tao? When we carry the cross, when we hold the candle, when we swing the turibol, the manner and how we stand. Do we stand prayerfully? Diba? So those things. It is also by the manner and how we assist during the Mass. How many holds the book or the Roman Missal? How many of you holds the book or the Roman Missal?
Brother, can I say something? Because not everyone, every parish will hold the Roman Missal. It depends. So before we have payment priest, and they only allow us to hold the Missal book to just to hold, to assist for them to read, but not you're the one who gonna choose the gospel or the readings for them. So we just assist holding the Missal book for them.
We don't choose for the priest what to read. It's everything, because everything is already prescribed for us. So we're just going to follow. So, what Father Jay said earlier, it is better if the altar servers would at least know how to prepare the Roman Missal. Okay. So the Roman Missal, this book, di ba po, I said kanina, the very first pages, the first part of the Roman Missal is the GIRM, or the General Instruction to the Roman Missal. How is it arranged? So how is the Missal book arranged? So if you're going to look at it po, it's actually arranged according to the liturgical season.
Season naman siya din.
Okay. When do we start the liturgical season?
Ordinary.
When do we start the liturgical season?
Advent.
The season of Advent, right? The Roman Missal, the first part is the season of Advent, followed by Christmas, then
Ordinary.
season of Lent, and then we have the Easter time, and then we have the ordinary time. Kasi di ba in ordinary time, we have ordinary 1 and 2. So it's the longest season. So the ordinary time, after siya ng
Pentecost.
Easter. So that is how it is arranged in the Roman Missal. Okay? So first part po niyan, it is the GIRM, and then we have the 4 Sundays of Advent, and then we have Christmas, we have Lent, we have Easter, and then we have ordinary time, and then we have the feast within the ordinary time. That's how it is arranged. Pagkatapos po niyan, we have the Missal itself. So we have the Holy Mass.
Advent, Christmas, Lent, and then Easter.
So the order of the Mass.
Ordinary time.
The order of the Mass. So nandyan po yung
Feast
si introductory rites,
within
si liturgy of the Word, si liturgy of the Eucharist, si concluding rites. The readings of the Word is not in this book, because we have a special book which is the lectionary. So nandun po yung mga readings. Okay? So after po nito, after ng order of the Mass, we have the preface and the Eucharistic prayer. So ito po siya. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, we have the part wherein we have the solemn blessings. And then the next part to that is yung for the feast of the saints within the year. So that is how it is arranged. So if you want to start practicing, wag po kayong matakot sa inyong Roman Missal. Pwede niyo po siyang buklatin and you can check. That's how you will learn to use the Roman Missal. Kasi ang mangyayari po sa atin, if we will be, for example, di ba in our group we have leaders. Di ba? We have the head server in each group. Pag inassign ni head server, for example, server 1, so ang gagawin mo, ikaw mag-hold ng book. Para kang napapasok pag hinahawakan mo si Roman Missal. Paano po tayo matututo? Ha? Sabi nga po natin kanina, we always have training. We need to practice. Kasi lahat naman po tayo, we learn as we serve. So doon po natin malalaman, doon po natin siya mapapractice and eventually makakabisado si Roman Missal. Kaya next time na i-assign po kayo sa Roman Missal, huwag po kayong matakot. Take it as an opportunity for you to learn. Okay? And once after you've learned it, you share it to someone else within the group. Kasi di ba may teamwork tayo, hindi pwedeng, basta to alam ko.
Oh. You need to share.
Di ba? We need to share kasi tayo is one. Di ba? Paulit-ulit na tayo kanina dun sa oneness. So, nandun na tayo sa learning. What should we learn? So, number one, ang example natin is how we hold and we prepare the Roman Missal. Next. The turibol. The turibol. The terrible turibol.
Terrible.
Okay. So, sometimes nagtatalo-talo tayo. Ilan bang charcoal yung kailangan para mausok? My dear friends, it's not how much charcoal, but it is on how you burn the charcoal.
Yes.
Okay? I repeat, it is not on how much you put on the turibol, but it is on how you burn the charcoal. Kasi pag dinagdagan po natin ang charcoal sa turibol, baka magkaroon po tayo ng flaming turibol during the mass.
Parang naging
Tapos
Dragon
magkakaroon ng
Ball.
commotion.
Sunog
Diba? So instead of helping the congregation to worship, pag naaamoy nila yung incense, nakikita nila yung incense as it rises up the heavens, parang it helps their worship. Nakikita na susunog yung turibol. Diba? Nawala yung concentration. Okay. 2 or 3 is okay. Okay? 2 or 3 as long as maganda po yung pagkaka-burn nung charcoal. Para ka lang nagpa-barbecue. Diba? Pag maganda yung charcoal, maganda yung luto ng barbecue. So, ganoon din po yun. If maganda yung pag-burn natin ng charcoal, maganda rin yung lalabas na usok sa incense.